6:30 AM at Ellis Beach. Free camping spot. It's also raining. Axel over there. I think when it's getting to this point in the year, the weather's starting to turn a bit up in far north Queensland. So it is obviously a rainforest as well, so apparently wet season should be coming soon. Ideally want to start heading south now, down towards Brisbane again. Link up with the fam. And then eventually head down to Byron, Sydney, Tassie. Chase the sun. It's supposed to be good weather down there now. How's this, Axel? Yeah? Ooh, it's cold, the rain. Fuck that. The rain is so cold on my back.
It's alright.
Yeah, you like it?
No.
No.
I prefer Joe. Hey Joe.
Hey Joe.
Yeah.
The life of Joe.
Where are we going?
Skyrail.
Skyrail.
Kuranda.
Oh, it just said on there that the Queen of England was visited the Skyrail in 2002.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. What do you think of that? What do you think of the monarchy in England?
Who?
The King and Queen in England. The King.
What times? What?
Do you have opinion? Opinion? The King
I don't care.
in England.
Yeah.
Do you like him? Yeah.
Why I should have? Should I have opinions? An opinion?
I don't know, they're pretty famous.
I don't care.
Yeah, it's famous, but not for us.
Like we said, it is what it is.
Fair enough.
Only singing. Only singing.
Oh my god. Skyrail. You have to wear a t-shirt if you come on Skyrail. You're not allowed topless. Learned that the hard way.
Finish your coffee.
And finish your coffee as well.
Your cafe.
If anyone comes
Your cafe.
to Kuranda. Kuranda. Thank you. Red Peak. Red Peak Boardwalk. Woo, let's get it!
Let's get it. Big Daddy.
Big Daddy. Big Daddy.
King of the jungle.
King of the jungle. Queensland Kari stood here long before the first Europeans set eyes on Australia. At more than 400 years old, this rainforest icon has adapted to thrive in a competitive environment. 400 years old.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Next stop, Barron Falls.
15 minutes run. Not road.
Oh.
Sky.
Oh wow, look.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That's cool. Sorry. Pops off the cable car at Barron Falls. What?
The view.
Oh shit. Oh.
Whoa.
Ah.
Last stop, Kuranda.
Oh, hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello you. Hello you.
Second time coming to Kuranda, but didn't really get to spend that long here last time, and also the lads haven't seen it, so thought we'd take the Skyrail. It's pretty cool. More excited for the train though, I think. The Scenic Railway. Wow. That leaves at 2 p.m. So we've got about 3 and a bit hours, 4 hours. Probably grab lunch here. See some cool stuff. Yeah, better wait for them. The Kuranda market.
For your back. When there are big fly, it looks balls here. That's a fucking ball with that.
The sack.
That's funny.
Petit Café.
Petit Café?
Petit Café!
Order some crepes.
Yeah,
Savoury crepes.
and cedar.
Crepes and cedar.
Oh, too fast for you.
Pear cider. Apple cider.
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 Yeah, in the ice, yeah.
Ah, wait.
Yeah,
Cheers.
yeah, see. We wait you.
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick
Go,
tock,
go,
tick
go,
tock,
go,
tick
go,
tock.
go.
No, but it's home.
Cheers.
Why?
I don't know.
Let's go. I wait. Good? Good one?
Can I try?
Yes.
Apple. Yours.
Pea and apple, yeah. Pear or pear?
Pear.
Oh yeah. Okay.
What is it?
This one. I prefer this one.
Yeah.
I like both.
Now we wait for the crepe.
Where's my knife? Where's my knife? All right.
That's good. Oh,
Yeah.
fuck.
Yeah. Meaty.
Feta, tomato.
It's the same as mine, almost.
Mine's just got meat on it.
Yeah, you have a lot of meat.
I love meat.
Me too.
Mmm. 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 How is it?
Very good. You
Yeah.
want to try?
Oh yes. How is it?
Good.
Yeah.
Very good. Yeah.
We enjoy this
I think we have this.
dessert.
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 Prepare.
Crepe.
We leave Kuranda as it begins to rain. Cool pic, eh? In the rainforest. This is why they call it the rainforest. Ugh. Whoa, this is cool, eh? Scheiße, nicht rein.
That's what I mean, like, for a week on it.
I'm looking for stickers.
Ah.
I'd like some to put on our car.
How are we?
River Gorge and enter Stony Creek Gorge. You will notice magnificent views towards Cairns and the coast. If you look out towards the horizon was unstable, and under man-made progress, and one will be lost. John
What do you think about the train?
That's good, but that's long.
Yeah.
Not enough
it was good.
landscape. Long.
It was good, but I thought it would be better.
Yeah. I think it was just an hour and a half is a bit. Yeah, it's a bit long in the end, isn't it?
Yeah, too long.
Especially like when only one side has views. So it's like unless you're sitting on the side that actually you can see stuff, you're literally just sat there for an hour and a half, like doing fuck all basically.
Too hot, too hot.
Too hot as well. They need air conditioning, but like at least we've done it.
Yeah.
So that's good.
We had.
Yep. So we're gonna head back to the vans now, and then I don't know. What? Yep.